At Bell's Farm, we are proud to have achieved the Computing Quality Framework status, a recognition of our commitment to excellence in digital education. At Bell's Farm, computing is more than just a subject. It's a gateway to creativity, problem solving, and responsible digital citizenship. We draw upon a range of high-quality resources, including Teach Computing and 2 Simple's Purple Mash, to deliver a rich and engaging curriculum that inspires every learner. Our computing curriculum covers key areas such as technology in our lives, programming, multimedia, handling data, and e-safety.
I like being a digital ambassador because I like keeping everyone safe. I'm a digital ambassador because I want to help people on the computers.
Computing empowers every child to thrive in a digital world, today, tomorrow, and beyond.